Hello, my name's Dominic Fonte. I have the honor to have Roger Stewart with me, the owner of the Bistro here in Green. And with COVID and all the safety concerns, and now we have a lot of traffic activity. If you've ever been out to Massillon Road, they just put some turnarounds out here. So the restaurant now has open access from Raber Road over here and Massillon. So Roger, so now that we're open for business, it's the holiday season. We have gift cards, we have curbside service, and we're open for business. What are your hours here, and where are you located?
So we're right here at the corner of Massillon Road and Raber Road, just off of I-77, exit 118. And we are open Monday through Saturday. We open at 4 o'clock right now for dinner only, and we're open till 9 or 9:30 depending on the night.
And do you have a bar, and do you serve like holiday cocktails, or what do you got going on?
Absolutely. We've got a great assortment of cocktails, full cocktail menu, as well as beers, wines. Tonight we're actually featuring a candy cane cocktail for the season.
Wow.
So come in and check that out.
So now with COVID, people are concerned about coming out. And I know the hospitality industry is really taking it hard. So one of the things that I heard, I saw it on TV actually, that you're one of the first restaurants in the area to implement these safety features. Can we come on in the restaurant and you show me and just say something briefly about the safety features and what you put in place, so that as people come out to get a bite to eat, just get out of their house, or even curbside service, you know, can you show us a little bit?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, let's go on in and take a look. So where we want to go?
So we come on over this way.
Okay.
Where you'll be greeted by our hostess here. We do ask that we are complying with the governor's request to wear masks as we enter the restaurant, and we definitely want to encourage everybody to do that. Once you're seated and you're eating and drinking, you're free to take your masks off. But we've implemented what Dom mentioned was these UV air disinfecting devices. You'll see one right here above
It looks
me.
like a smoke alarm.
Yeah, it does look like a smoke alarm, but it actually emits safe amounts of UV rays that actually disinfect the air throughout the day, throughout the evening when guests are here, and then actually all night long when nobody's here, it continues to work. So we actually were, as far as I know, the first restaurant in Ohio to implement these. So we'll take a look here at the rest of the dining room as we've decorated for the holidays here, changed some things, just to make everybody feel in the holiday spirit when they come in.
So it's pretty spaced out. Now I noticed behind the booths you have wooden dividers.
Yes, we've actually hand built these wooden dividers. We think that they're much more appealing than just the generic plexiglass that have been done at a lot of places. So we've added those to create barriers between the booths.
Okay.
And the rest of the tables we've spaced out at least 6 feet apart.
Do you have a bar area that we can take a look at?
Yeah, come on in and check out the lounge.
Okay. Everything looks so festive.
Yeah, my staff helps me out here. We do decorate every year for the holidays to get everybody in that celebratory mood when they come in.
Well, this has been a kind of interesting year, this 2020. I think people are ready for a change of pace, honestly.
Yeah, absolutely. So as you can see, we do have a couple small high tops here spaced out, and then we have some seats here with some movable plexiglass barriers that we can slide back and forth as needed, and we have additional ones that we can bring out as well to put between people if need be.
Oh, good. Super. Let's take a look at the other part of the dining room. Show me the other purifier that you have.
Yeah, so over here we've also got another UV emitter.
Okay, up here, it looks like a smoke alarm.
And I didn't show you the one, but there's also one in the lounge.
Okay.
I forgot to show you that one. And as you can see on all the booths here, we've created the high backs to create a barrier between all the booths. Okay. This table actually is not in use, so we space these out to make sure that everybody's safe.
Okay.
Yeah, we're actually celebrating 15 years at the end of the month. So
hard to believe.
Yeah, I can't believe it's I guess time flies when you're having fun, they say. So.
What are you doing to sweeten the deal right now so people can come on out and have some stocking stuffers? What do you offer?
Well, it has been challenging, but great stocking stuffers right now. If you come in, for every $100 worth of gift cards that you purchase, you'll get a free $20 bonus card that's good for January and February to come back in and see us again after the first of the year. You know, again, as everybody's, trying to get out of the house, maybe it's too hectic at the holidays, they're not comfortable coming out in December, we encourage you to come out in January, February, maybe things, calm back down a little bit and you feel more comfortable coming out. So just trying to encourage everybody to come out when they feel comfortable, help us out by taking advantage of that holiday gift card promotion, as well as some other daily features that we have throughout the week.
So what do you have? I hear you have like a Meatball Monday.
Yeah, so we've just actually recently started our daily features that we're doing. So Monday nights is Meatball Monday, and so we've got $6 meatball appetizer or $13 pasta meatball dinner that also comes with a side salad or soup, as well as our fresh baked Norcia Bakery rolls that are delivered to us by Norcia Bakery daily.
I'm a finicky Italian. I like the meatballs that taste like grandma's.
Yeah, well, these are all homemade here in house. Chef Andy does a great job, makes those meatballs for us. And everybody that's had them, trust me, loves them. So if you haven't had them, come in and try them. And then on Tuesdays, we do a 2 can dine for $39, and that's we have a select menu that you can choose from: 2 entrees, 2 side salads, and then a large portion of dessert to share. Our cheesecake, Buckeye pie are 2 of the ones that are on that list.
What about that one that has strawberry? What was that? I saw you sent a picture.
Oh, our New York style cheesecake right now that we're
Traditional.
featuring is it's a traditional cheesecake, but you can choose strawberry sauce, raspberry sauce, chocolate sauce, or caramel sauce. All those sauces are homemade, as well as our cheesecake, and all of our desserts are made right here in house. And then Wednesday we're doing Rib Fest is what we're starting this week.
So how many bones on a rib? What
So a half a rack dinner, which is usually about 6 to 7 bones. That's going to be with a side dish and salad or soup all included for $15.99, and then a full rack dinner if you're especially hungry, and that's going to be 12 to 13 bones. That's also going to come with a side dish as well as salad or soup, and that's going to be $20.99, and that's going to be every Wednesday from now forward. And then on Thursdays, we're also doing a nice promotion, which is going to be $5 seafood sale, basically.
Wow.
So $5 off of all of our regular menu seafood items. So that's our crab cakes, that's our mahi-mahi, our potato encrusted cod, our salmon, and all of those are $5 off every Thursday, right off the menu.
So now, I didn't hear anything about some filet mignons or...
So we have great fillets, ribeyes, strip steaks that are off of our radiant heat drawer broiler. Our broiler chefs do a great job. Those are always on our menu, and you can take advantage of those as well.
That sounds great. So the Bistro Green here is offering a $20 bonus card with every $100 spent. And by the way, curbside pickup's a big thing now. People are trying to, show their support for local businesses like yours.
And we really appreciate that. We have definitely seen an increase in carryout business and curbside pickup. So again, I want everybody to be comfortable. So if right now you're most comfortable ordering carryout, we can do that for you right at the curbside. We'll have you call when you show up and we'll bring it out to you. We can take your credit card over the phone so you don't have to contact the pens and all that stuff when you come in, and we can take care of you that way, and we're happy to do that.
Well, Roger, I just wanted to say thanks.
Thanks, Tom. Appreciate you coming in.
We checked our temperatures. We're both COVID-free. But we would wish you and your families a Merry Christmas, a Happy Holiday, and of course the New Year's coming right upon us, and we're looking forward to 2021. So if you could, stop on out. What's the address?
3459 Massillon Road. Like I said, it's right off of Interstate 77 at exit 118.
Well, we hope to see you there, and don't forget to get those stocking stuffers. Take care. Thank you for tuning in.